So I'm in the kitchen area, and of course it's the one spot we all love most. And I hope you can see right over here, there's a sweet little bar area for mom to do her bills. See right over there, right by the kitchen, like dining area, formal, and better even yet is this super neat bar. And then the fancy formal living room with a magnificent stairwell for the upstairs family. It's a lovely home. It's been beautifully staged. It's a different market though, so I think it's important to get out there and still, look at homes. There is like less traffic, so I've had much nicer and lengthier conversations with clients where sometimes people are still moseying about and they don't feel like they can freely speak. So that's been pleasant, but I'm here if you have any questions. In the meantime, happy holidays.